Did you know some cats can be allergic to humans? Their immune systems react to certain human proteins, causing itchy skin and sneezing. Crazy, right? Have you ever heard of a cat with two different colored eyes? It's called heterochromia iridum, and it's way more common in cats than you think. Here's something you won't believe. Some cats can purr at incredibly low frequencies, which might actually help heal their bones. What would you do if your cat suddenly started speaking fluent French? Subscribe to Reels and Facts for more mind-bending cat mysteries.